Mushmouth from Running, Pennsylvania. We're here to have a good time. We want to see you guys have a good time too. Let's fucking do this. Let's move this fucking floor. Everybody move up, move up. Let's go. my way. What just stay away, won't bring you. Think like ground, won't show you. We have to win, I'll never fucking forward. Just stay away, bring you. Think like ground, won't show you. We have to win, I'll never fucking forward. Woo. Thanks a lot, everybody. We appreciate you guys hanging out in here with us. We know there's a heavy hitter in the other room. Thank you guys so much. Listen, we're down one guitar player tonight. He got stuck in that same bullshit flight situation that Gorilla Biscuits got fucked with, and it's just a big pain in the ass. We had to kind of rearrange some shit. Unfortunately, our set's gonna be a little shorter than normal. I mean, we're still gonna play a bunch of songs, but just wanna let you guys know, we're here. We're trying to give our A game. We hope you guys give your A game too. Let's have a good time, everybody. All right, let's do this. This is an older one. I'll lift the curse. Let's go, people. This goes out to my brothers for life. I made the choice. I chose the path. Can't change what I'm doing. Rolling line. I see the war for water. Seeing all the pain. There's something for myself. Life I change what you want. I made the choice. I chose the path. That's just what I'm doing. There's no time with more life from you. I don't give a fuck. It's not what I've been doing anyway. Live my life every day's fucking life. Yeah, I wonder why. Let's see a fucking circle thing. Come on, let's move this fucking floor, guys. Choice to live your life. Every day I wonder why. Why should I find my life? Wanting to get back to freedom. Every day I do beginning. And the goals that carry to me. Try to live your life. I made the choice. I chose the path. Can't change what I've done. Release it. I see it all overrated. See it all overrated. Life I live for myself. Life I change for your life. For having us. This is a one-off show for us in Europe. Hey, if you guys want, we're playing a show in December in Reading, Pennsylvania, a benefit for one of our brothers. It's gonna be Wisdom in Chains, us, a bunch of other bands. If you want to come over, you can stay with me. Go! Told you what you're bad. We're going for you. When I'm dead, you won't never see. There is no time to react. Or to cut to down your time. No time is going for you. We'll make you wish you never been born. Make you down and make you big. Never see ya, look or die. No one is only one now. This is what we've done. We're going for you. When I'm dead, you won't never see. There is no time to react. Or to cut you down your time. Love story is going for you. We'll make you wish you never been born. Where the fuck are you at, Holly? Chase you down and make you pay. Never see another day. Look close to me. You never saw it coming. Look close to me. We win in the end. Look close to me. You never saw it coming. Look close to me. We win in the end. We're going for you. When I die, you won't never see. There is no time to react. Or this got you now your turn. No story is going for you. We'll make you wish you never been born. Take you down and make you big. Never see another day. The world is over now. Just as I've been done. Look close to me. You never saw it coming. Look close to me. We win in the end. Look close to me. You never saw it coming. Look close to me. We win in the end. Thank you very much. Very much appreciated. Yo, how many people here have seen us before? It's like a handful, not a lot. Last time we were here was like 13 years ago. Man, this is a hell of a fucking festival, right? Yo, who here saw Sworn Enemy? Man, they fucking killed it, holy shit. Yo, those are some old friends. Fucking great dudes. Yo, alright. And this is off the first album, the Mushmouth Out to Win album. Got a couple of those on this. You guys move around. I know you're tired, it's been a long day. Let's fucking do some shit. Hit the guy next to you, whatever. Let's try and take this back to like 95. I don't know, we're a bunch of you like 10 years old. I don't know. It's all good, we're gonna play some old stuff. You guys ready? Let's go. To the people, no one is all for us. Never we think, we can rely on. With the data, no one can down with snap. With the dough, staring a sense of pain. Feel pain, it's all in your head. Stand strong, fight for what you love. What you know, let it do this free. So I commit to the fucking end. We're back to the fucking end. I will, we're back to the fucking end. We're back to the fucking end! I will! We're back to the fucking end! We turn the people into the working time. Back down every time we try to climb. We're the people, give me a fucking break. If we know, guess we have to say. Feel pain, it's all in your head. Stand strong, fight for what you love. I know, we're there to the free. Fucking to the fucking end. What goes around, always comes around. Yeah, I'll tell you, I love this shit. We don't play that often, but when we do, man, it feels so fucking good. And it feels really good to have people here watching us tonight. I mean, there's been a lot of awesome bands and some more awesome bands coming up tonight. Last night was sick. I mean, just the fact that you guys are here watching us, that means so much to me, it means so much to us. You guys are fucking great. This is another old one. Let's run around. Thank you. Woo. Oh yeah. Are you guys doing all right? You guys having a good time? Yo, come on. You guys are standing here. Let's hear it. Hi. This is the title track of the last album that we did. Yeah. Yo, this is called Beg for Life. When you wake up, then you wake up. You can't do more dancing. It's a fatal to final day. Oh, your life is just a fucking lie. Now it's all over for you. There's no excuses, so I put you in your fucking place. Fly all you want. You'll get no pain from it. You wanted something, you can finish now. Pick one line. What makes you see through yourself? Just a close. Something special. In the end you'll see. Your one was voice, but wishing away. Away. Whoa. Man, oh man. Yo, if you're ever thinking of starting a band, don't write so many words in the song. It's so fucking tiring. All right, we got a couple more. Again, I appreciate everybody watching, everybody sticking out over here. We got some shirts for sale over in, what the fuck is that room? Over there, way the fuck over there. Where all the merch is. We got a couple of shirts for sale. It's right next to, I think, the street dog stuff. Help us out. Again, I wanna send a shout out to Martine. Fucking great motherfucker. Known that dude forever. Give her a round of applause for Martine and the Sound of Revolution for putting this on. So great. Yo, I wanna send this next song out to Todd Youth. Fucking gone way too fucking soon. A fucking pioneer, a fucking G in this whole game. And this is gonna go out to him. I also wanna send this out to an old friend, Otto Cromag, as well. True people in this fucking scene, for real. All right. All right, let's do this. You wanna play this? We'll settle the score. Coming down, coming back for more. Coming back for more. When I went back, I'm playing out way down. You sorry, motherfucker, you don't wanna stand there. Look at me, whatever you can do. Just keep talking cause I do. You're back. Think I give a shit about your pain. You I say, fuck your misery. They are the answer, so quick to judge me. I know that you mean shit to me. What it's like, give it me. Just a reason to way to myself. No one else. You'll never change who I am. You'll take my home, my name. You'll never do it until the end. I've been until the end. You'll never, been until the end. You'll never understand. Been until the end. It's what I care with my life, it's a worthless. It's what I care, everything I'm doing it. Will die, make you gone. Understand, you're a fucking enemy. Fucking enemy. Been until the end. Man. Yo. I say yo a lot, don't I? It's just because I ain't got shit to say. I stopped drinking like 3 years ago, and now I'm real fucking boring. I was kind of boring before, but now I'm real fucking boring. Yo, real quick. I want to send this out to everyone who came out to see us. I thank you guys so much. I'm glad there's a lot of people here who've never seen us before that are still here and not across the building. Thank you guys. I want to say thanks to all our brothers who came from all over the fucking place. Thank you guys so much for coming. Appreciate it. These guys look out like motherfuckers. Thanks to the staff for feeding us and all that shit. Yo, this is our last song. Let's make it worth it. Let's make it count. Ready? Never thought it was a consequences. Never thought it was a way in your face. Now I saw you on your fucking bluff. Cause the echo that I'll never be a wonder what's up. Feeling in the thought of feels to take the death. Carry it in the bladder and keep it in. All I feel the way the hate that's broke up. Now I take the hit from your fucking life apart. said and done. Only wish for a decade across. I'll cut you down without a second thought. We'll let you know. You won't step, but you're a fucking duck. 100% there's no way I'm gonna let you walk. From here, you ain't nothing. No chance I'm gonna let you walk away. What you gonna do? What got you down? What got you down? What got you down? You never thought of all the consequences. Never thought of what the winner in your face. Now I'll call you on your fucking bluff. Cause the ego that I'll never be the one. What's up? We're trying to unburn you. Run through my face. Nothing but change. You want your listen. Cut you down. What cut you down? What cut you down? Yeah. Turn your back. You gotta pay. Turn your back. You gotta pay. Let's go, Holly. Let's fucking do this. You gotta pay. You turn your back. 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 You gotta pay. I'll cut you down. This is one last one for you guys. Let's make it count. Everybody move in. Everybody fucking move around. A-game, motherfuckers. A-game, bring that fucking shit. This is a hardcore show. Let's see what Holland Hardcore has. Let's see it. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! 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 Thank you guys so much. We're Mushmouth.